change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
Welcome to the vlog. An announcement. 2020 race bike, new project. We're going to be building next year's race bike completely from scratch. We already have the frame. It's been custom painted. It's at Kate's. We got it delivered there because she's got the garage. So over the winter months, we're going to be taking our time, deciding the components that we want and building that up, ready for next year. So I'm looking for your comments down below. I've got the frame. What chain set am I putting on it? Am I going mechanical? Am I going electronic? What am I using? So the intention, next year's racing, we've got Tour de Cambridgeshire. It's flat and it's fast. We're qualifying for the 2020 Worlds in Vancouver. Hilly. So we need a light bike, we need a fast bike. So my idea is to have as light as possible. So what do you think? Comments down below. What's the components that I should be looking for? I've got some ideas. I'm checking out prices as we speak. Nothing has been purchased. At the moment, the only thing that's been purchased is the frame. So yeah, drop me your comments. What do you think I should be using? Should we go and have a look at the frame? Let's do it. Here it is. So let's get the box opened. See what's inside. So, we've got a box of bits. Let's get this opened. So this is little bits for the seat post. Little brackets for keeping the seat post in to the frame. Some grommets for the cabling, and the headset. Okay, so let's take a look. First of all, we've got an aero seat post. We've got a fork which has been custom painted. Carbon, obviously. And then we've got the frame. Have you guessed what it is yet? Again, custom painted, full carbon, monocoque. So there you have it. The 2020 race bike is a custom painted Venge. We've gone for a light bike, a fast bike. I don't have the scales just now, but we'll get the confirmed weight done on camera for the next vlog. But there you go. So yeah, custom painted Venge. What do you think? Drop me your comments down below. I think it's sick. I'm loving the colours. I'm loving the way it's been done, and I can't wait to get it built. So yeah, over the next few months, we're going to be doing a little series of videos, building up the bike, and then obviously taking it through to the first ride. We've been doing a bit of research today on some components. As I said in the intro, not decided what I'm going to do. Is it going to be mechanical? Is it going to be Di2? Do I stick with, or not Di2? Is it mechanical? Is it electronic? Is it Shimano? Is it Campag? Or what is it? Drop me your comments. What do you think? As I said, the intention, it's fast and it's light. That's it. So yeah, over the next couple of months, I hope you're going to join me as we progress through the different stages of getting the bike built up. But for today, that's going to be it. So if you've enjoyed the video, drop me a thumbs up. As ever, I appreciate your support. So hit that like button, tickle it, smash it, you know the score, just use it. Subscribe to the channel, make sure you're using the little notification bells, and you'll get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Spread the video, share the love, and then as ever, I'll see you soon for some new videos. Ride on.
There is a place where